Hi, I'm here at the Devil's Icebox.
In Rockbridge National Park.
Rockbridge National Park.
Or State Park or something. I don't know if it's national. I think it's State Park.
So it's it's cold. It's good here, by the way, like you will be rested. Can I?
It gets colder the further down you go.
Yeah.
Can I see you from over here? If anybody's ever jumped off here and tried to commit suicide.
Crazy. Don't jump. Really cold.
Wait. Don't go to the mine. That's an animal. Never mind. That's somebody's pet. I need to drop it.
So that's the Devil's Icebox. So I'm going back now. So I need to climb with the stairs to go back. Okay, bye bye everybody.